Right.
What? 3 spoons.
Right. And how heavy is this Raan?
This Raan is about a kilo,
Plus minus.
roughly about a kilo and plus.
And इधर छुटकी नींबू लगाया है, थोड़ा काली मिर्ची.
Little bit of lime, little bit of kali mirchi, little bit of red chili, little bit of ginger garlic paste, and salt.
On
That
the,
was the first marination.
and left it outside.
Left it outside.
Right.
Then your garlic paste,
Uh-huh.
1 teaspoon,
Right.
1 tablespoon
Right.
and a half.
Acha.
Then your ginger paste,
Mm-hmm.
1 tablespoon.
Mm-hmm.
Then then you put that Kashmiri mirch.
Mm-hmm. Is that special?
Yeah, this is basically.
Show me the box so I can
Yeah, this
tell
is
our viewers what the image
Degi mirch. That is that Kashmiri mirch which gives you
color.
mainly color, a little bit of punch, a little bit of lal mirchi, just crushed peppers,
Mm-hmm.
cayenne peppers.
Right. मतलब ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਬੁਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ
हाँ,
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੀਸ ਲਓ
वही पीता है.
ਹੈ ਨਾ.
Just a tad of salt because you already put salt
Sure.
there. Just little bit.
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of garam masala,
Mm-hmm.
1.5.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of your coriander.
That's a heap full.
Yeah,
Heap full. चलो.
heap full of
Coriander.
powdered coriander.
Mm. Now, how long did you do the first marinade? How
1
many?
hour before.
That's it. Hour ago. And the Raan was at room temperature.
Yeah. Then about half teaspoon of cumin seed powder.
ठीक है. ये पुण्या होया है कि इदा ही है?
Punya.
That's the key ना जिला रहते इस पांडे है.
Ah.
भुना हुआ जीरा.
Then you put in your
Papaya paste.
papaya paste.
कितना पांदे हो? दिखाओ जरा कटोरी पान तो पहला.
This is, I'll tell you, 1 tablespoon, then 2 tablespoons.
A lot, huh? That's some serious. Wow.
That's because
Mm.
we've taken off the skin of the papaya. We don't leave the skin of actually.
You're
That is
only
the one,
using the pulp.
that is the one which is really, but then it turns bitter.
Got it. Got it.
And then you start using your paws,
Sure.
whisk it nicely with your hand.
Mm-hmm.
So about 2 spoons of mustard,
2 tablespoons कह लो.
2 tablespoons of mustard oil,
हाँ जी.
then nicely mixed up. And
How-
then you start.
Tasty. So when you call the butcher,
Yeah.
what do you tell him कितना बड़ा बकरा होना चाहिए?
Roughly about 8 kgs. Then that's one side done. Then you have the other side.
You didn't make any cuts on the other side.
Both sides there are cuts, I'll show you.
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Without cuts,
It won't work.
I mean the marinade won't go in.
हाँ.
So it'll just be superficial.
Yeah.
So
तो बस एक करके 6 घंटे रख दो.
हाँ जी.
So first marination was for how long?
First marination was for about 45 minutes to 1 hour.
हाँ.
followed by the second marination,
Right.
which is from then till now. So that is about roughly 7 hours.
7 hours. Will you wipe off the excess marination before you cook it?
No, we'll put the lamb, the leg on, and then we put the marinade, baste it with this.
You'll put more on it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so what are we doing now?
Now we're just flipping the side
So it's
over.
been half hour already, huh?
Half an hour.
Okay. Wow, that looks good. You're gonna put more marinade. It almost seemed like it had too much already. No?
Oh, just look at that.
Nice. Wow.
Okay.
Another half hour. Nice.
Gone?
Yep, perfect.
Gone? And you want
Done. So that is the finished